platter ng tempura.
Heavy, oo. Then this
Oh.
one, nag-order din ako. Hibachi.
Oo.
For sharing naman na yan. Then, yung rice mo na lang. Kung may gusto kang, baka gusto mo yung yabu, chicken na may rice na yun.
Kiwami.
Oo. Ito yung mix ng lahat ng sikat na Japanese restaurant. So, meron dito Hanasoke, Pudo, yabu.
Mix siya.
Sa lahat ng sikat na Japanese restaurant.
Okay.
So,
Meron bang may sabaw?
meron. Ipudo.
Ipo doon. Ayun, parang dito kami sa Kiwami. Yun no, may bagong gupit. Tingin ng ano, tanggalin mo to para makita. So nagpagupit siya sa Mirai.
Mira.
So nagpapagupit si Fumiya. O, di ba? Pumayat katignan. Di ba? 2-in-1 yan eh. Hindi niya na mapakita kasi mahirap. Tapos na siya magpagupit. Kaya, tantanaan. Tagal ko tayong nintay 2 months. And, bibili na natin siya. No food and drinks.
Kaya nga eh.
Hindi, baka sa loob meron silang basurahan dyan. Sigurado kumakain sila dito. Meron po kayong basurahan? Opo. Para sa basura po. Para sa ating mga plano na babalik sa atin in the next few months.
Yun, dito. Sana dito ako.
Ha?
Sana dito pala ako.
Maganda dyan?
Mas madilo. Oo, maganda lighting. Yan, magsalita
Ito na lang. Ito na lang. Pinapakabit na lang natin dito. Boss Leo. Dito sa Uptown Mall Branch, Henry's. Yan. Napaka-accommodating.
Happy ka?
Tingnan natin kung anong mga magagawa natin sa trip natin.
Sige lang, makita rin namin yung mga output o average nyo.
Sige.
Kung kanila rin, baka matag mo rin yung Henry's para namin yung
Sige. No problem.
Endorser ng Henry's Yarn. Lahat to Henry's eh. Henry's is Jau Jau's best friend.
Tayo ngayon sa SM Sukat para makipag-meet up kay Boss Mark. Boss Mark ng Mundo na nagbebenta ng mga second hand na mga lens sa camera. So, let's go. Dito kami sa Mary Grace ni Boss Mark. Boss Mark. Ayun, ano yung mo ulit? Hindi, ito yung niya, pa-plug ko na lang yung full name niya, nandito. Ito yung Facebook niya. Ayan, so, pag trip niyo kumuha, ayan, alam niyo na. So, ito, nag-ano kami, buy and, ito? Parang trade and, Trade ba tawag dito? Pero, dahil syempre, mataas yung value nung niya, mag-a-add ako. Mura siya. Pinakamurang sa marketplace. pinakamurang ano sa marketplace. Siya yung pinakamurang nakita ko. Napakabait naman ng ano, Almira Braids. Bago tayo lumipad. Kasi dito si ano. Tol, anong pangalan mo yan? Patrick. Tsaka si Almira. Wala na kasi silang extension. Tapos nagpalala mo pa. Grabe naman yan. Kaya anong kakalabasan na ito. Yun, naabutan na tayo dito. Anong oras na ngayon? Anong oras? Alas 3 na ngayon. Ay, nagsasara na. Naabot namin ng alas 3 kasi full tank sila. Ayan, nag-braid sa akin si Andrew.
Thank you.
Owner and founder, Almira Braids, and sister niya, si Yana. Yan. So, napaka-solid naman na ito. Napaka-fresh looking naman natin. So, yun, dali na natin to sa Amerika. Salamat ng sobra. Salamat.
Thank you.
Okay, so, bounce.
Chicken or beef?
Beef po.
50 po. Oh, thank you.
Sir, sirap po yung
Try nyo naman. Kasi ipapareboot ko yan.
paano po mag-try na? Parang, eto lang ever since
Paano po i-operate?
I-reboot ko siya.
Ah, okay. Sige po.
So, pareho kayo.
Yes.
Oo, yes.
Ay, tinatouch namin. Dinner. Live dinner.
For the third time.
Third time. Dinner. Nag-dinner kami ng 4 p.m. Tapos dinner sa Starbucks. Tapos dito ulit. Yeah.
Hello, your drinks. Your drinks lang.
Orange po. Nami-miss niya. Naging flight natin. Then, so, maging princess passenger. Sarap. Sarap.
Apple juice.
Oh. Yung. Yeah.
You always wrong.
Yun, Bay Area with Kuya Mike. Yeah. Erica and Glenn. Yeah.
Are you guys gonna be here for Francis?
Yeah. Alright.
Oh, wait. There's a surprise
graduation.
for Ray.
Oh, so it's a surprise.
Yeah.
Oh.
Surprise party.
Oh. Huh? Okay. No, kasi di ba ano,
Wait, you know, right, Kuya?
Huh?
You know?
What? What do you know?
I've been new.
I think you both know, guys.
I've been new since last year. But basically, that surprise birthday party is gonna be surprise proposal for Francis.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Ray knows about the surprise already.
He knows about the surprise party of Francis.
He's gonna act.
But he doesn't want to tell my parents. Well, he didn't want to tell my dad.
It's not one.
Because we had a failed gender reveal already.
For whom? For whom?
Ike.
Oh, for Ike?
For Nayeli.
Oh.
What did he do?
So I was
Ano
handing
ginawa
out
ni Tita?
poppers and then he popped it. Right?
Oh yeah.
Oh.
I remember. I was there.
Tito Peter.
And everybody was like, what the?
And then he goes, "What is this?" Boom. And then everybody just looked at him like, "What the hell did you do?"
May video? Wala. Walang video. Sayang.
Yeah.
No video.
No,
Man.
Or not September, October 25.
Oh.
They're gonna have it at their house in Sacramento.
Sacramento.
Mm.
Because they bought a house out there.
Oh.
Would you guys move out there? I don't know, man.
Glenn said he would move to
Mainit, no?
Sacramento.
Fuck. It's too hot, like desert hot. Hindi parang Philippines na mainit.
Yeah.
It's like desert hot. Like,
It's dry.
yeah, it's dry heat. I told Mama, well, I'll get them a house out there. They have to live in it though.
Parang wala sila.
No, they do, cause like I can't live there.
Oh shoot.
Merong child dog.
Eh? Yeah.
May spaghetti.
Dandan. Okay. Yan. Let's go. Grabe, kuya. Magkano yung ganyan? Kaya nga eh.
They put the more that will be
Oh, the gas?
inspired to buy.
Yeah.
That's what gas.
Ayaw magpabayad. Ayaw magpabayad. Agaw na naman. Kumusta? Anong bago, Glenn? What's new? Wala? I mean, housework.
Wala.
Hiring? Wala. Walang...
It's not tiring, it's just
Yeah.
Welcome.
the same.
Yeah. With my kuya lookalike with Chris Brown. Chris Brown and... yeah, Chris Brown and... Why? You look like Chris Brown. You... Color. Bagay sa ito, kuya. Ayaw magkulay. Hindi ka pa nakapagkulay ever?
I did
Oh, braids.
long
Braids,
time ago.
kuya.
No, I can't. I don't know. Braids?
Yeah. No?
When I was in high school.
Oh, you did?
It kind of depends. Probably like, depending on what you get. If you get
Mhm.
like plain, it'll probably be like 220.
Oh,
Yeah, that's my grill. So I got a G in like Old English, and then I got a star with the topaz.
In the middle? That's
Yeah.
pretty
It kind of depends. Probably like, depending on what you get. If you get
Mhm.
like plain, it'll probably be like 220.
Oh,
Yeah, that's my grill. So I got a G in like Old English, and then I got a star with the topaz.
In the middle? That's
Yeah.
pretty cool.
Hayward, in and out. Bago daw to dito eh. Go.
Did you know they have different sizes?
Go, go.
We got an extra large stuff.
Thanks, kuya.
You're welcome.
Kuya, who always gets the bill.
First trip.
Always. Always, always. Let's go. Ano yan? Ha?
This is for Tita. Coke.
Ayan lang kay ano? Tito Peter?
No, Tita.
Ah, tita? Oh, of course. Of course. Always and always and always. So malapit na to sa Bay Fair, right?
Yeah. Shit, no more Bayfair, man.
No more? What do you mean?
Wala na.
Huh?
Yeah, wala na. Tinanggal na.
Really?
Yeah.
So no more Target there, right?
Then meron pa. Meron pa yan. Yeah.
Even the what's that mall in San Francisco?
Westfield.
Westfield?
Gone.
Yeah. Nung last time na nandito kami, parang ang pa-close na siya. Yeah.
It's gone, man.
Yeah. Okay, Smisky unboxing. Do you have a space where you're gonna put it? Because you're gonna open everything. You have a space in your... Why? Your table is full?
No,
Oh, Smisky?
I don't have room. So right now they're just in a bag. I have like
You're saving the best for last.
a shelf, yeah.
Smisky's?
Sneeskies
The 350.
Sunday series.
300. Magkano natin nabili yan, love? Tanda mo?
Okay.
The Sun Angels na ano?
Parang alam kong dalawa, biniyaran naman yan.
10?
The boat na?
So for the boat? Oh, you bought this for almost how much?
200 US.
200 US.
About,
And then
yeah.
the Sun Angel is 350.
Yeah.
Oh. Galing mo?
Yeah.
Ayan, dan da da dan.
Yay!